Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Nearpod, Student and Teacher Access Guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your device. Type nearpod.com in the address bar and press enter. Click the login button at the top right of the Nearpod homepage. Look at the login options and decide if you are a student or a teacher. If your school uses Google, click Continue with Google. Choose your school Google account and approve access if prompted. If your school uses Microsoft, click Continue with Microsoft. Select your Microsoft school account and complete the sign-in request. If you have a Nearpod username and password, choose Email and enter your email address. Type your password carefully and click Login. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the email reset link. If you are a teacher logging in for the first time, confirm your profile details when asked. Check that your role shows teacher so you can create lessons and access reports. If you are a student, wait until the student dashboard or join screen appears. For a quick student join, click Join a Lesson on the Nearpod homepage. Enter the 5-letter join code given by your teacher and click Join. Type your name exactly as your teacher expects and continue into the lesson. If you are asked for a class code or school login, follow your teacher's instructions. If you see an error, double-check the join code for correct letters and numbers. Make sure your internet connection is stable and reload the page if it freezes. If the site does not load, try a different browser or open an incognito window. If pop-ups are blocked, allow pop-ups for Nearpod.com to prevent sign-in issues. Teachers can verify they are logged in by clicking their profile icon in the top corner. Teachers can start a lesson by selecting a library item and choosing live participation. Teachers can assign a lesson by choosing student paste and copying the link or code. Students can switch accounts by logging out and choosing the correct school account again. Always log out on shared computers to keep your account secure. Bookmark Nearpod.com so you can access the login page faster next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.